In exclusive now, the National Stock Exchange or NSE is probing equity derivative trades of Indiabulls Real Estate. This follows the huge swings in price in the last couple of trading sessions. Anuj Singhal joins in to explain what's really going on. Anuj, thanks for joining in. The rumor suggests that all the outstanding positions in the equity derivatives of the company were in control of just a handful of people. Take us through.
Yes, Ron. So it's not actually rumor because, it's official data. NSE at the end of the day publishes a report in terms of who holds what kind of positions. In simple terms, if you buy or sell a share in the derivatives market, you create an open position. What happened with Indiabulls Real Estate was that the stock was up 40%, futures were up 38%. This is, of course, yesterday's trade. Today, of course, the stock was down 9%. Now, the stock was already in F&O ban ahead of the news, which means that post-news, a normal retail trader could not create any position, whether on the long side or on the short side. So he could not benefit from it because you can't create fresh positions because already humongous positions exist. So what happened yesterday was longs unbound on a 40% rally. So someone who would have bought, say, 2 or 3 days back would have made 40%, and you're playing on leverage, so almost 4 or 5 times. Now, top client, just one client, was holding 8.3% of market-wide positions, and top 12 clients are holding 58% of overall positions. This really is just too much positions or too many positions concentrated in too few hands. So I'm not surprised that, as we learned from Money Control, that there's a probe in terms of the price move that we saw in Indiabulls Real Estate, because clearly, prima facie, it looks like, too many positions were concentrated in the hands of too few people. So, I would be happy if this probe actually goes on, and let's see what comes out of it.
Absolutely interesting developments there. Anuj, thank you very much for joining in and explaining what that really means.